What's up, T.O.G? So, if you're like me, and during this quarantine where we've just kind of been stuck inside and trying to find things to do, then you've probably given in and bought something on Amazon or bought something that you've seen advertised on Instagram. So, yes, I'm weak-minded and I'm susceptible to be convinced by an online ad to buy something. But this time, I think I made a good choice. So, the bike's been sitting and covered and dust gets under it and it's dirty. It hasn't been cleaned in months, mostly because I just haven't been riding it or even looking at it, so it's out of sight, out of mind. But it's time to clean it, and to do that, we're going to use the original bike spirits. Now, I saw this advertised on Instagram. I only heard good things about this. Went to Amazon and I was able to get multiple cans at a really good price. So I bought 3 cans. I don't know how much it's going to take because there's not really a whole lot of painted surface on this bike. Not like my old bike, my old fat bob that had a lot more painted surface. So we're going to test it out on this bike, see how she shines. There's a lot of dust collected, especially on the wheels and on the tank here. So we're going to try out the original bike spirits, give it a whirl, show you some before and after, and see what I think. Okay, before I get started on the polished surfaces, we gotta clean up all the plasticky, non-shiny stuff. So let's do that first. Alright, so all the non-polished surfaces, non-painted surfaces have been cleaned. Let's try out the original bike spirits. So one of the advantages right off the bat of using the original bike spirits as opposed to washing it with water and soap and then going over with it like a protective coat is that it seems to be cleaning and adding the coat at the same time. I don't know what magic they use in this can, but so far I'm loving it. Getting in here and cleaning the wheels is always so much fun because you've got all these little crevices and things to avoid. But I mean, look at this. I don't even know if you can tell in the video. I am really impressed. So probably the best illustration that I can do so far is the rims here that have been cleaned from here to there. You can get an idea of the difference, shine and cleaning. Haven't used any water and only this magical pink can of original bike spirits. Alright, all that's left is to clean the clear surfaces. Now I've always been a fan of using the microfiber towels to clean my bike, especially the polished surfaces, just because I believe, and this could be a total myth, that microfiber is less abrasive on clear surfaces especially, and polished surfaces. So it makes sense to me if you want your surfaces to look less scratched over time to use microfiber. Let me know in the comments if you do something differently. Alright, so I bought 3 cans of this and I probably used like a couple ounces of this one can, which is 14 ounces. But let's take a look at the finished product. Alright, so we're done. It only took me like half an hour to completely clean my bike, and I am so happy with the finished product of Original Bike Spirits. Now, you need to know that nobody paid me or nobody asked me to make a video about Original Bike Spirits, but I'm so happy that I did it, and I'm so happy with the results. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them, and if I can, I will point you in the right direction. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Guys, if you're out there riding, please be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.